Good afternoon, good evening, good night, everybody. Hope you're doing well. So here it is, 2026, and let's give this chili grow a go. So these have been in seed propagators for about 6 days now. Under LED lights, they're under a heat mat until they sprouted down the humidity dome. The tops were super dry yesterday, so I watered the bottom and put a couple of little drops on top. So let's have a little look at them. I've got 4 of these propagators in total, so let's have a little look through. Some are blowing my mind on how quick they've grown. I expect that's probably not a good thing. I've got some leggy plants here, and I've been looking online on options, so that's also why I'm doing this today, to be like, right, where am I going wrong? Can you guys see anything where you're like, whoa, you got to do this, or cut back on this, or they need fertilizer, or any advice would help. This is my first time doing this. I'm completely novice, completely green, but I just want to grow some chilies. I've never had a garden in 42 years in my life, and I finally got a little private garden, so I'm going to fill it with chili plants, see how it goes. So let's see what we got. First up, we got the Armageddons. Now, they didn't pop up, they've only just started to pop up. They're looking nice. That one's just starting to show his head. I put between 2 and 3 seeds in each pot. And I've been a bit ruthless today and cut back on the ones that either failed, fell over. You know, if there's 3 strong ones, take the 3rd one out, just so we got 2 going. So that's the Armageddon. Looking promising now. I was a bit worried to start with. They are super, super hot. They look like reapers. Now look at these, the Zebrange. A bit leggy, I think, but they are looking nice. Maybe a little bit of sun scald there, not sure. Same look, looking good. Lots of options there. Now with the Ahi pineapple, they all toppled over. If it was too damp or the soil wasn't right, or just... So hopefully something sprouts still, because there's still a couple I haven't sprouted, but as you can see, they're pretty dead ducks. The large orange tie. Now these are doing great. Looking good there. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Alrighty guys, next tray. These are the Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. Only got 1 popping up there. A couple of them did topple over. These 3 are doing great. These 2 are looking lovely. Can't wait to try these. They take ages for the pods to ripen up and show their nice red stripes and what have you. Let's see how those go. Next up is Ghost. The Ghost peppers, super, super hot. These 2 are looking lovely, as are these 2. This one's taking a bit of time. We got 3 starting to pop up, so I'm going to wait a bit before I prune one of them off. Next, the habanero. Yep, very disappointing. Just haven't had any luck with them at the moment. Maybe in the summertime when the sun's out fully, we'll just try again. Maybe try again in a month or so when it warms up, and just let the natural sun do its thing. Hopefully it'll be more successful than I've been with these. Alright, next up, the Carolina Reapers. I was really worried these were not showing any signs, and then this morning, look at that baby popping up. And then over here, we've got the seed leaves, and this one's starting to just break through its shell. Lovely. This one, there's a little bit of life there. Now I've got the Zimbabwe Black. Tiny, tiny little chilies. Look like candy corns. Really interesting. Now they've gotten really well. I've only got 1 little pot there, but these 2 are looking nice. Let's grab pot 3 and pot 4 and see what they look like. Alrighty everybody, we got the next set, number 3. Let's have a little look. I was very worried about the Tabascos. They were not popping up at all, and then literally a day later, beautiful. These 2 are coming up nicely now. The jalapenos, that one toppled over if I remember rightly. I messed up there because I know they're very easy to grow, but And then the jalapeno here, we got two very nice ones. They're a bit leggy, I suppose, but there we go. So where there's fail, we got two ones going okay at the moment. See with that Tabasco, nothing. Buena Mulata. We got one. I was a bit worried. I got the seed leaves are very dark, very purple, but that's what they're supposed to be. Might have a little bit of a sun scald on them, but let's see how that one goes. And then, as you can see here, a bit green, a bit dark. Need to keep extra eye on these, but I think it is the way the leaves are supposed to be. They are like purpley dark green. Got one in the corner there that survived. Dream catchers next, and this one is empty. Don't know what happened, but next pot there, we got two looking good. Looking alright there. And these are dream catchers too. There's two looking lovely. Got the Scotch bonnet. I've got one leggy one here. I don't know if he's gonna topple on that. I just hope he gets his roots down. Let's see. And then also with the Scotch bonnets, I got the MOAs, the Jamaican ones, and they have just done. I mean, look at them, great. Unfortunately, we can't have one competing, so we're gonna have to do the terrible thing of removing him or her. Dear. I don't like doing that, but you got it. Right. So that one's a bit scarce, but early days. Let's see the next one and the final one. Wow, this one, I'm glad I say this best for last, you know. These are doing great. I'm a bit worried about how they're aimed. It might need to just be turned around. They're obviously going towards the light a bit, so I'm going to need to adjust the trays. But yeah, these are great. Right, so these are Kashmiri Merch. We got two big, beautiful ones there. They are bending, and I think it is because I've got it. They were aimed that way towards the light. Because as you can see with these next ones, lovely. And down the bottom there. Right, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of pruning. Can't have too much competition. And right there. So there we go, we've got two in each now. We gotta get rid of that one. I don't know why that leaf is like that. Oops. Say cut it, don't pull it, and I just pulled it. There we go. Next up, sweet banana. Only one so far, but that's okay. Fair enough. The Padron. Wow, these are doing very good. A little too good. Yeah, we need to prune those out. The Poblano. Got one nice one growing there. Black jalapeno. Two are starting to pop up. Need to prune one of those. My cayenne seeds from last year. Looking good. Need to take one of those down. Same again. Looking good though. And another set of cayenne. I love cayenne. And then finally, Scotch bonnet MOAs. Dud. But there we have it, guys and girls. I'm going to be updating this on a regular, just trying to do daily updates, see how these grow, see the wonders of nature, and hopefully a few months time we'll have a huge patch full of big, strong, beautiful chili plants producing loads of pods and blowing people's tongues and taste buds and palates all over the place. I really hope this is a success, and I hope everybody's giving this a go as well. Who knows? You'll never know unless you try, eh? Hope you're all doing well. Look after yourselves, because nobody else will. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Thank you.